Hi guys, we're at the Pencoed station level crossing in Pencoed. Train plan number 123. Time now is 16:35 on Saturday, the 13th of October 2018, and this is for the 16:32 expected 37 1 Whiskey 19 Aviva Trains Rail service from Carmarthen to Newport, and on the 16:39 Lima 61 Aviva Trains Rail service from Cardiff Central to Maesteg. Expected arrival at 16:40. Storm Callum is very bad actually. I can see the lights in there. I don't want the gates to go up on me. There's the CCTV. I'm only here for 2 videos. One 175 to Newport, and we're staying. Wait. Staying. That's what she said. That's a joke. 16:39 now. The train is scheduled to arrive at 16:40. I am a YouTuber, by the way, so that's why I'm filming this closure. Just for the people who are right next to me. It's only my 61 from Cardiff to Maesteg. This is my second double stay today. I can see the sign has changed from Aviva Trains Wales to Transport for Wales. 16:40. gone up back. It could have gone up and back down. Oh, here it comes. 152, stalker. 152, my stalker to my stag. We're staying. This is the most longest video I've ever had. Oh, we are staying down. We're also down for the 1644, 2 Golf 66, a Weaver Trains rail service from Maesteg to Gloucester, expected to arrive at 1643. I'm gonna go up on the station to see if the signs have changed on that platform yet, okay? Let's get up to the platform. There's 15252. And the departure. Bring the signs here. I think the signs on this platform have changed as well. Zoom chance. Yep. All the signs on this station have changed, saying Transport for Wales stamp, okay? And I want to get into a good position. It's not a passing train. It's not a passing train. I'm going back this side. This is my longest video I've ever had. Wait, only 7 today. Only 5 videos today. It's getting dark though. Yeah, every single sign here says Transport for Wales. On 58822. That's becoming a stalker. On 58822, my new stalker to Gloucester, and up we go, finally. That was my most longest video. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.